Betty, bam lamb, whoa, Black Betty, bam lamb, Black Betty had a child, bam lamb, the damn thing gone wild, bam lamb, she said a word not of mine, bam lamb, the damn thing gone blind, bam lamb, I said, oh, Black Betty, bam lamb, whoa, Black Betty, bam lamb.
Right, let's go catch this monster.
I'm through with standing in line, the clubs I'll never get in. It's like the bottom of the ninth and I'm never gonna win this. Life hasn't turned out quite the way I want it to be. Tell me what you want. I want a brand new house on an episode of Cribs and a bathroom I can play baseball in, and a king size tub big enough for 10 plus me. What you need? I'll need a credit card that's got no limit and a big black jet with a bedroom in it. Gonna join the Mile High Club at 37,000 feet. Been done. I want a new tour bus full of old guitars, Mount Star on Hollywood Boulevard. Somewhere between Cher and James Dean is fine for me. So how you gonna do it? I'm gonna trade this life for fortune and fame. I'd even cut my hair and change my name. Cause we all just wanna be big rock stars and live in hilltop bosses driving 15 cars. The girls come easy and the drugs come cheap. Well, I'll stay skinny cause we just won't eat and we'll hang out.
It's strong, eh? It's beautiful, eh?
Freshwater barbel here though.
Ja, dat is niet bleek, hè.
Hey, hey, I wanna be a rock star. Hey, hey, I wanna be a rock star. I wanna be great like Elvis without the tassels. Hire 8 bodyguards that love to beat up assholes. Sign a couple autographs so I can eat my meals for free. I have the quesadilla. I'm gonna dress my ass with the latest fashion. Get a front door key to the Playboy Mansion. Gonna date a Santa phone that loves to blow my money for me. So how you gonna do it? I'm gonna...
What's up, guys? So like promised, there's more fishing videos coming. This time we'll be heading to the Breede. So I kind of know what to expect. I'm really hoping for the best. Anything's possible though, it is fishing. So yeah, I'm on my way currently to go fetch Cliffie from the airport. So yeah, we're going to be heading there now. Probably going to get there later this evening. I'm super excited. Hopefully can get some crazy footage. But yeah, exams are finished. I'm busy training again at Marty, so everything feels like it's almost back to normal, you know. You get to see all your mates and all that sort of stuff. People are allowed to fly domestic flights now. Yeah, it's not completely normal, but look, if I'm to be honest, I can't be complaining. Life's good at the moment, so stoked to go fishing again. Stoked. Cheers, guys. Put in the boot. Put in the boot. No, look! It's time! Watch out there, it's gonna fall. Phew! It's Cliffie's bedroom. Finally here. Had a massive trip. So many accidents, stop goes. I'm staying at the Breede River Lodge. These trippy lights. The river's there, literally right here, 30 meters away. Crazy, crazy. We're up and we're about, it's about 4:30 now. Get ready, make some brekkie, and then we gotta hit it. It's like a mini harbour. Look look like a car guard, man. Reporting for duty for your evening shift. Not right at the back. Yeah, in the mid.
Sick ball, man.
Yeah, very nice, bro. Well, people probably have massive jaws here over December times.
Yeah. Probably cool, really fun.
But a little bit. Nothing they can damage you on or cut you off on, so they can just take your time with it. Yeah, they came nice and quick here.
Yeah, he's fucking feels heavy sometimes.
Yeah, you thought you were gonna see him already.
You can see him already.
Feel heavy. Tank. Eh?
Come and then go around. Go around. Stuck on.
I've had a largemouth bass bust my line, a couple beautiful girls tell me goodbye. Trucks break down, dogs run off, politicians lie, been fired by the boss. It takes one hand to count the things I can count on. No, there ain't much man that ain't ever let me down. Long neck, ice cold beer never broke my heart. Like diamond rings and football teams have torn this boy apart. Like a neon dream, it just don't know me. The bars in this guitar and long neck.
Lekker. Beautiful cob. Nice, man. It's a good start.
Yeah, thanks, Pete.
Back to me.
Yeah,
Strong enough.
shot, Pete.
Lekker, man.
Thank you.
Long neck, ice cold beer never broke my heart. Like diamond rings and football teams have torn this boy apart. Like a neon dream, it just don't know me. The bars in this guitar.
Day 2. It's Cliffy's birthday.
And I heard, as it were, the noise of thunder. One of the four beasts saying, "Come and see." And I saw, and behold, a white horse. There's a man going round taking names, and he decides who to free and who to blame. Everybody won't be treated all the same. There'll be a golden ladder reaching down. When the man comes around.
Have a look here, what?
The hairs on
Yeah,
your
that's-
arm
yeah, the hairs,
will
yeah.
stand up at the terror in each sip and in each sip.
He's hungry.
expecting to do a little dart here.
Must I try to put in that side or?
No, you can keep him up this side. Yeah, I'll get the net.
I feel like it's got a bit more weight than the usual Navajo KOB.
Definitely.
Can't just tune him to come in.
No.
Oh, Davey.
Yeah, getting a little pull
Yes.
here, man, on a Friday. First couple of baits in
Yo.
here.
Yesterday, same scenario. Like 2 minutes, 5 minutes, and you're on dead. Wonder if it's like similar size. What do you think, Pete?
Yeah, he's got a strange, deadish sort
Yeah.
of pull to him.
Yeah.
There's a bit of head shake.
You can't see any colour until he gets right
But
here.
he's that close.
But he's not ready to come in, eh?
No, he's not ready.
Yeah.
It's not a Navajo KOB.
No. A little 3 kilo either.
It's not a Kaiser's KOB, this but. Strong, eh?
Mm.
It's beautiful,
Like
eh?
a freshwater barbel here now.
Yo, ek's bleek, eh?
Give me stick, boy.
Oh, nice little head shakes every now and then, eh? He's just cruising around, he's not in a hurry.
No,
look.
Boxing a little bit more than that.
It's amazing that we didn't see him now and that was at the shore.
Except she just has to let it do its thing, eh?
Waking anything yet.
Nice bicep pump on the morning, boy.
There we go.
Yo! 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 Davey! I want to come to this side of the boat.
You got it, eh?
Yeah.
Yo! Dave! Holy fuck, bud! Holy
Bit of
fuck!
slack on your shot.
What you reckon, bud? Yo! Put it there, bro.
Sick,
Yo! Yo, that's a bus!
My arm is lekker so.
Oh, looks closer to 20.
yes, my heart was beating, but lekker shot.
Nice, man.
Thank you, thank you.
1, 2, 3 is 'n lekker dopie. Ons druk branders vir die eerste span. 4, 5, 6 is 'n daunting contest. As jy mors as jy verban. And down of rock is the name of the game. En as jou nekkie nie beknakkie, is jou party verby. En as jou nekkie nie beknakkie, is jou party verby.
Thanks, Pete. Lekker, man. Thank you. Lekker.
Thank you very much. Nice to meet you.